Don't you live in a nice straight line?
And if you don't ask questions, we drive past that with the half.